Hello student, welcome to programming mode. I hope that you all are safe, stay home, stay safe. In this tutorial, you will learn about the concatenation in Python programming. First, I explain that what is concatenation. Concatenation is the combination of two strings. Concatenation means when two strings is combined together to make a new string, to make a new variable, to make a new words, new and so on. So this is called concatenation. So now start. Open Jupyter Notebook, new. Click on new Python 3 and open my Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. First, I declare a variable name, first name, and assign a value Solve. And again, I'll declare a variable name, last name, and assign a value Mohammed Fasi. And in the next step, I'll declare another variable. I make another variable, name is full name, simple full name, and I want to concatenation of both the variables. First variable is first name and second variable is last name. So I want to do a concatenation of both variables. So I can write first name plus last name. You can see that if I want to concatenate any string, so we can use plus sign. We can use plus sign between the variables and between the strings. So now print full name, and now if I run this program, you can see that Saleh Muhammad Fasi. Saleh is another one variable. Uh, I uh, I was declare a variable value. Saleh is one variable and Muhammad Fasi is another variable. So you can see your output is both variables in one place. So how can this make? Using plus statement. And now I want to gap between the variables. I want to place the gap between the variables. So add inverted commas. So you can see your output. Add space is add in both variables. Now one more example. But keep in your mind that concatenation in only strings. You can concatenate only strings, not a number in Python programming. I'll repeat that concatenation in only strings allow, and in numbers concatenation is not access in number, only in strings variables, strings. If you want to concatenate a string, so yes. If you want to concatenate means addition in number, so this is wrong. I hope that you are understand this concatenation. Uh, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon button.